Hello and good evening. Today we will learn about trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a word which is formed by three words, that is tri plus gon plus metron. Tri is 3, gon is side and metron means measurement. Means we will learn the measurement of three sides in a trigonometry. Trigonometrical ratio. What is trigonometrical ratio? Before that, first we see a right angle triangle ABC. As we know, the triangle is lie on BC side, that why it is called base, and opposite to the 90 degree it is called hypotenuse. Triangle and this the AB is called perpendicular, because AB is based on BC and it make 90 degree. So we can write this and base. Okay, so what we have seen, the a triangle has three sides. One is perpendicular, second is base, and third is hypotenuse. And the angle, one angle which is angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Further, there are six trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometric ratio. What is this? Sin theta, cosine theta, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cotangent. This is the right angle triangle ABC, where B is 90 degree. If you take angle C as a theta degree, is a theta, so we can write as a sin theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta, secant theta, and cosecant theta. We write sin theta as a sin theta, cosine theta is equal to cos theta, tangent theta we write as a tan theta, cosecant theta write as a cosec theta, and sec theta we write as a sec theta, and cotangent theta lastly we write as a cot theta. So we write these as a, further we will know the relation between the sides of the right angle triangle and trigonometrical ratio. What is the relation between them? So as we know, this is hypotenuse because it is opposite to 90 degree, and this is base, and this is perpendicular. So here sin theta we write as a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to write base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta we write as a perpendicular upon base. Third one, cosec theta we write as a 1 upon sin theta as well as hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta we write as a cos theta, 1 upon cos theta, and hypotenuse upon base. Third one, cot theta we write as a 1 upon tan theta and base upon perpendicular. So this is the thing. So if you take in a triangle, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is nothing but ABC, sorry, AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So sin theta we write as a AB upon AC, AB upon AC, and cos theta base. What is base? BC, and hypotenuse is AC. So cos theta we write as a BC upon AC, and tan theta. Tan theta we write as a perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is AB and base is BC here. Now cosec theta. cosec theta we write hypotenuse upon perpendicular. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC and perpendicular is AB. So if you look cosec theta, which is opposite to 1 upon sin theta, so cosec theta is AC upon AB and sin theta is AB upon AC. This is the relation. And sec theta is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC upon base is BC. So sec theta is AC upon BC, and cot theta is base. Base here is BC and perpendicular is AB. So this is the thing. There is a formula to remember all this. Is this perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular upon base. So we can learn as a remember as a Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol. And sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. We can write cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So cosec theta is nothing but hypotenuse upon perpendicular, sec theta is nothing but hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta is nothing but base upon perpendicular. This is the thing. Again, Pandit Badri Prasad and Har Bol. This thing will remember the trigonometrical ratio. Now this is for today.